Do you love to learn with us? Please like and subscribe for more geography content. Hawkeye State. Iowa is nicknamed the Hawkeye State in honor of Chief Black Hawk, a leader of the Sauk tribe who resisted U.S. government encroachment. State capital. Des Moines is the capital of Iowa and is known for its vibrant arts scene, historic architecture, and as a hub for political activity, including the Iowa Caucuses. Iowa Caucuses. The Iowa Caucuses are the first major electoral event in the presidential nomination process, making Iowa a key player in national politics. Agricultural Heartland. Iowa is a major agricultural state, known for its production of corn and soybeans, and is a leading producer of hogs and eggs. Field of Dreams. The famous baseball field from the movie Field of Dreams is located in Dyersville, Iowa, and is a popular tourist attraction. Amana Colonies. The Amana Colonies are a group of 7 villages known for their rich history and heritage of communal living, founded by German immigrants. Iowa State Fair. The Iowa State Fair, held annually in Des Moines, is one of the largest and most famous state fairs in the U.S., featuring agricultural exhibits, live entertainment, and a variety of foods. Mississippi River. The eastern border of Iowa is formed by the Mississippi River, which provides scenic views and recreational opportunities such as boating and fishing. The Iowa State Capitol. The Iowa State Capitol in Des Moines is known for its beautiful dome and extensive use of marble, and it houses the offices of the governor and other state officials. University of Iowa. The University of Iowa, located in Iowa City, is renowned for its writing programs, particularly the Iowa Writers' Workshop, which has produced many acclaimed authors. Burr Oak. Burr Oak is the site of the Laura Ingalls Wilder Historic Home and Museum, where the famous author of the Little House series lived and wrote. Beautiful landscapes. Iowa features diverse landscapes, including rolling hills, prairies, and the scenic Los Hills, which are unique geological formations. Iowa Cubs. The Iowa Cubs are a minor league baseball team based in Des Moines and are the AAA affiliate of the Chicago Cubs. Historic bridges. Iowa is home to several historic covered bridges, including those featured in the book and film The Bridges of Madison County. Hancher Auditorium. Hancher Auditorium at the University of Iowa is a premier performing arts venue known for hosting a wide range of performances from classical music to contemporary dance. Iowa Great Lakes. The Iowa Great Lakes, including West Okoboji Lake and East Okoboji Lake, are popular destinations for boating, fishing, and vacationing. State symbols. The state bird of Iowa is the eastern goldfinch, and the state flower is the wild prairie rose, reflecting the state's natural beauty. Iowa's birthplace. Iowa was admitted to the Union as the 29th state on December 28, 1846, and has since played a significant role in the nation's development. Carver Hawkeye Arena. This multi-purpose arena at the University of Iowa hosts various events, including sports, concerts, and community activities. Historical sites. Iowa is home,